Fusion Dance Group! Wala ba tayong palakpakan ng for Fusion Dance Group? Grabe naman yung energy yun! Para kaming nanunood ng Grand Finals Street! Diba? Deserve pa manalo ng 50,000! Deserve pa manalo ng 15,000! Halika hindi ka, dali. Ayan, hiwala yung babae sa lalaki. Okay, yung mga babae, maraming kalat sa loob, maglinis muna. Yung mga lalaki, mag-iwan. Charatan. Uy! Ako nagkikigil. Ayan, mali! Alright. So, can we now please line here? Line tayo mga ano. Joke lang yun. Line here. Siyempre, ikaw yung gitna. Kasi hati, kalahati, baba. Alam mo na. Okay. So, can we know what's your name? What's your name? Okay, at alam ko, balita mo, isa kayo sa mga nakapasok sa ating Grand Finals ng Season 1, tama? Yes, alright. And you, what's your name? Juby, and you? Mayor, and? Parang kilala kita. Ako nagigigit. Marimar. Siya, and? Asan yung tubo? Salvador. Ito, napakaganda ng mukha, oh. Pwede mag-artista sa Pilipinas. Pwede ko bang si manager mo? Kailan ka? Kung if ever na may kukuha sa'yo para mag-artista sa Pilipinas, you can speak Tagalog? Oh my God! But you can understand Tagalog?
Tagalog?
Okay. Now I'm safe. Okay? So, how long are you been here?
I've been here for about almost 3 years.
3 years. Oh. Okay. Ay, wala naman sabi kasi. At syempre, dito ka. Dito ka. Ayan. Hi, Bebe. Anong pangalan mo, Bebe? Oh my God. Kung nagiging ako sa'yo. Alam mo, kinaganda. Anong pangalan mo? Rayleigh nga. Rayleigh, may nagtanong kasi sa akin, single ka pa daw. Deserve. Alright, what's your name? RD. I see RD. Where are you from in the Philippines?
I'm from Cagayan Valley.
Cagayan Valley. Good. Wow, bata ko. And you, what's your name?
Ivan po.
And?
Ivan.
Keaton. Baka kasi pagkakaintindi ko ng Keaton eh. Okay. Nagkasama sa atin. Ang lalaki na nila, promise. Oo. Ilang taon ka nung sumali ka ng season 1? Pero ngayon?
It's almost done.
Okay na, no, di ba? At siya, hi, baby. Nakita na naman tayo. Alam mo ba, sa grupo nyo, ang inaabangan mo talaga ito. Oo, kasi napakagaling na batang to. Sa mga hindi nakakilala siya, ayun tayo, may. Ano na? Wait lang! May girlfriend ka na ba? Sige! Hoy! Alright. So again, congratulations. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo. Ayan. Bakit ba? Ayan, nalika. O, dito. Ayan, punta kayo dito. Punta. Alright. So again, syempre, kung nagustuhan ng Madam People ang inyong performance, pakinggan natin kung nagustuhan ba ng ating mga judges. Ang inyong performance start with Zoe, please. All around po talaga ako dito. Okay, Zoe.
Fusion? Oh, wow. I'm speechless po. You're so galing. Galing niyo po. And you know, as a team po, ang linis. Ang dami niyo po. And I know to myself it's hard to create a choreo like that. And we pulled it off. Ang linis niyo po. And as a team, I can feel na iisa po yung goal niyo, iisa po yung heart niyo. And that really made the whole performance, great. It's very powerful po. I'm speechless pa. Galing mo kaya na naman.
Yeah.
Isa pa.
Once again, thank you so much, Ma'am Zoe. How about Sir Joel, please?
Hi, during the season 1 grand finals, I was there.
Yes, I remember. You are the one of the judge, right?
I was one of the judges.
Yes.
And our stage was this side at that time.
Correct.
You were a finalist, right? You won which place again? Pangilan kayo?
Pag ilang kayo na nakapasok kayo sa ating grand
Second
final.
place. No runner, not even a runner-up.
Actually, nung season 1, nakapasok sila sa grand finals, pero hindi sila nakapasok sa top 10.
Niluto ni Lollipop.
So ako may kasalanan. Ganyan kasi muna ng mga bata pa tayo direct. Lagi mo na lang akong inaaway. Pag gusto mo si Alejandro, kausapin mo si Maria.
Ayan na.
Alright.
But you know, you're prepared. Your costumes are uniform. You thought of this performance. I'm not sure if you have worked with different competitions, but you came here well prepared. You came here to win. Diba? You deserve whatever place. If you ever make it to the finals, you deserve a place. If 15,000 is given to you, well, the stars align. Para sa inyo yun, no? I personally as a judge, I wish all the best for you. Your attitude during the performance, it's there, like each individual. No, walang bumibitaw. Each of you want to make sure that you catch the judge's attention. And you keep up the good work. And in behalf of the other judges, we're very proud of you.
Thank you so much, Sir Joel. And also, how about Ma'am Ana? Napainda ka ba nung sumayaw sila?
Yes, ang galing naman. You supported each other well on stage. Great group chemistry. Keep it up, guys. And also your energy and coordination really stood up. Okay, good luck sa next round.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Ana. How about ang tatay ng bayan, Tatay Nico?
I actually wrote my comments just to make sure that I don't forget the important points. First, your performance was really captivating. I like your execution, especially the footwork. Your movements were so fluid. You felt like a continuous wave of energy on stage. You're interpreting the music, not just moving to it. That's what I like. And beautiful storytelling through your movements. You have variety of movements. You did execute the choreography, but you brought life to it. So keep dancing with the beat and aim high, aim for 15,000 dirhams.
Thank you so much, judges. Pero may gusto lang akong itanong. Siyempre, sino ang choreographer niyo? Sino ng choreo? Sino? Sige po. Palapakan naman natin si Queen. Give a round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much. And guys, sa mga hindi po nagtatanong, he is one of the member of VXB, Jensen. Ayan, our grand winner ng, syempre, our grand winner ng Winter Night Market Got Talent Season 1. Give a round of applause. Palapakan naman natin. Thank you so much. Syempre, ako nagbansag sa kanya. Kung ako si Lollipop, siya naman po si Sugar. Ayan, go Sugar! Thank you so much. And also, once again, give a round of applause to our semi-finalist number 8, Vision Dance Group! Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sabihin mo na lang kay Kim on yung Facebook, ha? Ayan. Thank you so much. So, eto na.